So in this video, we're now going to use the management interface on our cVu400NG packet broker to reconfigure the network interface from the default or from the configuration that has been set up on first power up. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is we need to log into our system using our updated username and password. And again, we get into our main dashboard and we need to go into our administration configuration status tab on the top of the screen. From within here now, we actually need to go in and look at the configuration options within our network settings tab. So here we can see our configuration, our current configuration. Things that we need to do is we need to change the system. So we're going to change, and in this particular case, I'm going to use DHCP. I'm also going to change the host name of my system to cVu400NG_01. And I'm also going to put in here some DNS settings. So I'm going to use default 8.8.8.8, and I'm also going to change the second DNS to 4.4.4.4, and I'm now going to save those settings as required. Okay. Oh, my host name has got an error in it. That's the problem. Okay. So now we've updated our settings, and again, we should be able to reload that page. Okay. And you can now see that our system has updated, and we have our network configuration showing as DHCP. You can see that our IP address actually is the same because that's what my DHCP server set up to. You'll now see the gateway has also changed. My DNS has also updated, and we also now have our DHCP server in there as well. So very quickly, you can see just by changing the settings in here, they're being reflected in real time. So now we've reconfigured our IP and network address. We can now move on to the next stage and configure the NTP settings, which we're going to do in the next video.